षष्ठः पाठः गृहं शून्यं सुतां विना. In yesterday's part we learned that Shalini asked her sister-in-law not to go to the hospital and come back home without testing the gender of baby. So let us continue with that part today. राकेशः माले त्वं चिकित्सकां प्रति गतवती असीः किमकथयत् सा. राकेशः माले त्वं चिकित्सकां प्रति गतवती असीः किम् अकथयत् सा. So in the evening at the time of tea, Rakesh asked his wife that Male, you went to doctor today, no? So what she said? Rakesh, Mala, you went to hospital, no? What happened? What she said? Gatavati went. Kim what? Akatayatsa she said. Mala maunameva ashrayati tadaiva kridanti 3-varshiya putri ambika pituhu krode upavishati तस्मात् चाकलेहं प्रदाय तां क्रोडात् अवतारयति. माला मौनम् एव आश्रयति तदा एव क्रीडन्ती 3-वर्षीया पुत्री अम्बिका पितुः क्रोडे उपविशति तस्मात् चाकलेहं प्रदाय तां क्रोडात् avatarayati. But Mala keeps quiet. Same time 3-varshiya putri, their 3 years old daughter Ambika, Pituhu krode upavishati, comes and sits on the lap of her father. Tasma chakaleham pradaya tam krodat avatarayati. But he gives her chocolate and sends her back. Mala keeps quiet. Same time 3 years old daughter Ambika sits on the lap of father. He, Rakesh, gives her chocolate and sends down from the lap. Maunameva ashrayati, she keeps quiet. Tadaiva, tada plus eva, same time. Kridanti, on playing. 3-varshiya, 3 years old. Putri, daughter. Pituhu, of father. Krode, on lap. Upavishati, sits. Chakaleham, chocolate. Krodat, from the lap. Avatarayati, sends down. Punaha malam prati prashnavachikam drishtim kshipati. Shalini etat sarvam drishtva uttaram dadati. Punaha malam prati prashnavachikam drishtim क्षिपति शालिनी एतत् सर्वं दृष्ट्वा उत्तरं ददाति. So Rakesh, after sending his daughter from that place, once again looks at Mala like he is expecting answer for his question. Shalini etat sarvam drishtva uttaram dadati. Shalini was watching everything and now she started replying. Again looks at Mala expecting answer. Shalini seeing everything and replies. Punaha, again prashnavachikam, questions. Drishtim, vision. Sarvam, drishtva, seeing everything. Uttaram, answer. Shalini, Bhrataha, kim jnatum ichyasi? तस्याः कुक्षि पुत्रः अस्ति वा पुत्री वा किमर्थं. शालिनी, भ्रातः किं ज्ञातुम् इच्छसि तस्याः कुक्षि पुत्रः अस्ति वा पुत्री वा किमर्थं. So now Shalini is questioning her brother that, brother, what do you want to know? Kim jnatum ichchasi means what do you want to know? Tasyaha kukshi putraha asti va putri va? Do you want to know whether there is a son or daughter in her womb? Kimartam? Why? Why you need to know all these things? Is this necessary to know in advance? Shalini, brother, what do you want to know? Whether girl or boy? Why do you want to know all these things? Jnatumichasi, want to know. Tasyaha, her, kukshi, womb, putraha, son, va, or, putri, daughter, kimartham, why? षण्मासानन्तरं सर्वं स्पष्टं भविष्यति समयात् पूर्वं किमर्थमयम् आयासः षट् मास अनन्तरं सर्वं स्पष्टं भविष्यति समयात् पूर्वं किमर्थम् अयम् आयासः. Again Shalini asked that within 6 months everything will be clear. You will come to know that whether it is putraha or putri, son or daughter. Samayat purvam kimartamayam ayasah. Why are you in hurry to know all these things in advance? There is no necessity of knowing all these things in advance. Within 6 months you will come to know about everything. After 6 months everything will be clear. Why are you worried now itself? Shanmasanantaram, after 6 months, sarvam, everything, spashtam bhavishyati, will be clear, samayat purvam, before time, ayasaha, hari. Rakeshaha, bhagini, tvam tu janasi eva, asmakam grihe ambika putri rupena asti eva, adhuna ekasya putrasya आवश्यकता अस्ति तर्हि राकेशः भगिनी त्वं तु जानासि एव अस्माकं गृहे अंबिका पुत्रीरूपेण अस्ति एव अधुना एकस्य पुत्रस्य आवश्यकता अस्ति तर्हि. So Rakesh replied that Bhagini, O my sister, tvam tu janasi eva, you know that asmakam grihe ambika putri rupena asti. In our house we have one daughter. Ambika is our daughter. Already we have daughter. Aduna ekasya putrasya avashyakata asti. Therefore I want one son now. As we have daughter, now I want one son. Therefore Rakesh, sister, you know that we have Ambika as daughter in our house. Now we need one son. Janasi eva, you know, asmakam, our, grihe, at home, putri rupena, as daughter, adhuna, now, avashyakata asti, necessity is there, tarihi, then. Shalini, तर्हि कुक्षि पुत्री अस्ति चेत् हन्तव्या तीव्रस्वरेण हत्यायाः पापं कर्तुं प्रवृत्तोऽसि त्वं. राकेशः न, हत्या तु न. शालिनी तर्हि कुक्षि पुत्री अस्ति चेत् हन्तव्या तीव्रस्वरेण हत्यायाः पापं कर्तुं प्रवृत्तः असि त्वं. राकेशः न, हत्या तु न. Shalini is asking, then if there is a girl in her womb, it should be killed. Tivra swarena, angrily she shouts, Hatyayaha papam kartum pravruttaha asi tvam. You are getting ready to do the sin of murder. Hatya means murder, papa means sin. So are you ready to do sin of murder? Rakesh says that na, hatya tu na. No, I am not ready to kill. Shalini, then if daughter is there in whom, she should be killed. Loudly, are you ready to do sin of murder? Rakesh, no, not a murder. Kukshi in the womb. Hantavya should be killed. Tivraswarena loudly. Hatyayaha of to kill. Papam kartum to do sin. Pravrittosi engaged. Hatya murder. So children, learn this part with the translation and word meanings. Let us continue with the next part tomorrow.